between the trees, but they no longer hurt, they no longer weigh. I am no longer a figure, now I direct my presence. The shadows fled, I broke their power. Under my gaze, that no longer hides. I finally understood that the past is not real, it's only smoke that dissolves in the light. And everything comes if you walk with love, if you advance with a clean soul, without fear, with intention. Love the earth, love life, love the cosmos, love nothingness. Merge into the whole, create from being, because we are one, and that is power. Today I'm back, but I'm not the same. I crossed the abyss and named it freedom. I freed myself from your yoke, and now I am a fire that does not burn, but shines without ceasing. Nothing prevents me from moving forward. Walls fall when I look. I am the flame of the present. I am conscious creation. And everything comes if you walk with love.